started the gym kitchen about 5 years ago, I could see the rise in sports nutrition, meal prep, and quick serve restaurants. But seeing those three categories, there wasn't the same translation within the ready meals fixture. So I set off on what was a long journey to create a brand in the gym kitchen which would actually cater towards that audience.
Oscar Mayer is a leading chilled ready meal manufacturer in the UK. The initial challenge we had with the gym kitchen was that we were looking to understand a particular cohort of shoppers and consumers that is quite targeted to reach, and our regular elements from our toolbox weren't really going to cut it.
Previously we had used really small groups, we had used a local gym, so they didn't give the national breadth that we needed to really test these products. We wanted to start working with Vypr so we could arrange a cohort of people really who we would call everyday athletes and really see if these products were fitting for their diets and for their lifestyle.
Now, what Vypr allowed us to do was to really access and build our target audience, asking them specific questions about new products, about flavours, about everything and anything we really wanted.
With Vypr, what we did was test the recipes, and then we were able to rank these in terms of how popular that they would be, how much appeal they had.
So each of the departments in the project use Vypr in a different way. The brand team, really, it's all about the design, whether it resonates with the consumer. For the packaging technologist, it was really important to understand how important sustainability was. For the category team, it was really important for them to help us to understand which consumers and which retailers we should be targeting. And our technical team, they were very keen to understand which claims were important to the consumer.
So the outcomes of working with Vypr has meant that we have put into the chilled ready meal category a really new disruptive range, which is really bucking the trend in a climate where shoppers are not necessarily using health or thinking of health at the forefront, and it's really landed with our target consumers.
It's enabled us to really speak to our target audience, which in turn has meant that we've spent less time on developing NPD. We've been able to keep our range listed over 12 months because we've got the right range in there. We're now top 15 ready meals. We also are number 2 in healthy ready meals. Really, it is just the fact that we're able to listen to our customer and take all of the learnings and save so much time in the whole process.
We've launched around 12 products in the range so far that have all had over a year's listing on shelf, which is a really high success rate within the market at the moment.
Agility to market is very key in brand, particularly when you're a small brand and you don't have a huge budget.
The Vypr service now enables us to extrapolate our insights much more effectively. It enables us to bring our ideas from a small hypothesis into something that we know will be commercially viable, so it's been a fantastic enhancement.
To further the growth of this brand, we really are going to need Vypr behind us in the coming months as we start to test new recipes and launch into new product areas. It's all about hitting the correct consumers with the correct products and making it just easy for everyone to have access to macro-friendly meals that support their lifestyle.
We've always set out to be a lifestyle proposition, a brand that really caters to different audiences in different occasions. So for me, it's making sure that we are readily available, whether it's in ready meals, whether it's in frozen. It's really driving that proposition. We want to continue to grow our core, but really, just like I said, creating that brand that is there for our consumers, and that's what Vypr's helping us to do.